Don't you hate it when there's something scary in your shower? Well, relax. At Sandy Pines Wildlife Center, there's often something in the shower. In this case, a mute swan, found injured and recovering over the winter at the Sandy Pines Wildlife Center. Privacy, please. Waterfowl, like our swan friend here, normally are housed in the barn over the winter. But since the barn fire in January, staff have been squirreling away critters as best they can. Oh dear. Aside from cleaning up after the occasional accident, waterfowl need regular bathing to keep their plumage properly conditioned and waterproof. Of course, the Sandy Pines staff take all this in stride. You wouldn't get me near that beak. And of course, there's a long line of other creatures waiting for a bath after the swan. In the newly planned Sandy Pines Aquatic Centre, much better facilities will be available, including filtered ponds allowing multiple birds to splash around at once. But that will take money. Your generous donations will help. Please contribute online at sandypineswildlife.org and hit that donate button right there. Thank you so much for your time and generosity.